My name is Christopher Volpe. I am the building principal here at the George L. Catchermone Elementary School in Long Branch, New Jersey.
Debate is important because of the ability to communicate, the ability to articulate a subject that you may or may not fully understand.
The con argue that personal freedom is more important, but we argue that with freedom comes responsibility. Individuals who choose not to vaccinate are creating a health risk to many others.
The topic is whether or not you should be forced to be vaccinated, and originally the kids all thought, no, there's no way you should ever be forced to do anything.
Today, we are so excited to be hosting the Monmouth County Debate Tournament along with the American Debate League.
The impact the judge should weigh most heavily is the moral obligation to end family separation and the harm to innocent children.
Today, I had a wonderful debate. It's an amazing experience to be a part of such an amazing event. I've got so much friends, and we depend on each other. We count on each other for this information.
Since most people who have access do get vaccinated anyway, the risk of allowing individual choice are outweighed by the violation of liberty caused by the resolution.
Students build confidence in speaking, and that confidence spills over into their classrooms and into other after-school programs.
We all learn from our mistakes, we all learn from our wins and our victories and our losses and our defeats. But overall, it's just an amazing experience, and if you would, I'd encourage you to join debate too.
Looks like everybody had a great day here today, and I want to congratulate everybody for being here, not just the winners, but all those that participated.
My name is Don Coven. I'm the president of the Board of Education, and I'm here to support and be involved with the American Debate League.